Everyone, make sure you have your math notebook out. Make sure you have your math notebook out. Good morning to everyone. Co-host. Okay, had to get my co-host in there. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good morning,
Yes,
Will.
ma'am.
Good morning, Isaiah. Okay, when looking at your rounding, some of y'all, you're not following the rounding direction. It's just a little thing that tell us what we need to do. Here it is on this other camera, on Mrs. Kelly Adams camera, and it's underlined the digit, look next door. If it's 5 or greater, add 1 more. If it's less than 5, leave it for sure. Everything after is a 0, not more. Some of y'all are not following that, and the purpose of it is so that you can follow it. So today we're going to look at something on Edulastic, and it's going to give us some testing strategies. It's going to give us some testing strategies. So when and if you have to take the state test in May or April, May, you will be familiar with some of these strategies. Do I have any questions pertaining to rounding before I go into it? Any questions pertaining to rounding before I go into it? People, this is your time to talk to me and tell me what you understand and what you don't understand. No questions, so I take it that you understand. It's all good with me. Well, I just what? Ask that question, right? And what did you do? You did not open your mouth, correct? Correct? Let's be honest. Did you open your mouth and say, I don't understand? Okay, I told you, you're responsible for your own learning. We don't care about what goes on with somebody else. We care about ourselves. If I don't understand something, I'm going to say, Ms. Adams, I don't understand. Can you help me? I ain't going to look around. Well, ain't nobody else saying this, so I ain't going to say that. That's our problem now as a people. We don't speak up when we should. But I'm finna help you out, babe. I'm finna share my screen, and we're going to go through this together. I need your voice. I need your input. Let me know if you can see the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
big enough for you to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Darby's class, is it big enough so you can see the screen? Read Ms. Darby, please. Okay. I hope that they said yes, because I don't hear them. But Ms. Adams gonna get that taken care of too. Okie dokie pokey. Had one more person to come in, so let's kind of wait on them to get settled in a sense, but they gotta have to catch up. We're gonna write in blue today. All right, it says what? Read it. 21 and 908 thousands, okay, to the nearest hundredths. Now over here in Miss Kelly Adams' mirror, in her screen states to underline the digit. What digit we need to underline? The one that's in the what place? The hundredths place, which is the 0. Very good. I'm underlining it. But it also states, look next door. It said, look next door. Who is next door?
8.
The 8. Very good. Oh, Lord. Keep taking the thing. The 8 is next door. 8 is it. If it's 5 or greater, add one more. Is the 8 5 or greater? Is 8 5 or greater? Yes, it's greater than
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Anything's 5 or greater, you what?
Bring it up.
You add one more. So everything in the front stays the same. 2. Oh, mercy. That don't count. Hold on. It went left on me. Clear my annotations. And clear my objects. There we go. And now, here we go. The 8 and it's 1. And it says everything in the front does what? Stay the same. Very good. 21 and the 9 stays the same because we're looking at the 0 and the 8. You said 8 tells the 0 to add or go up 1. So now 0 will be how much?
1.
1. What's going to happen to the 8?
0.
0. Very good. Do y'all see that? And so we was on a Edge Elastic. If I was to give you this, you would have came here and you would have typed in 21 point. You see the point? 910. That's what you would have typed in, and you would have clicked next. Everybody understand? You don't understand? Pardon me? It's Edge Elastic, yes. I didn't understand your questioning. You spoke 21st century. Awesome. Let's read number 2. Somebody read number 2 for me, please.
Now add the following decimal numbers in the first column to the nearest 10 and pick the correct option.
Love it, love it, love it. All right, thank you guys for reading for me. It says round off the following decimal numbers in the first column to the nearest 10th. 10th. So where is exactly the 10th place with the decimal? Where exactly is the 10th place when you have decimal numbers?
The 2.
Right behind the decimal. That's the direction. That's and it is the 2 because all those are 2s. Who said 2? High five yourself. Woo! Great job. It is the 2. The 2 is in the 10th place, and the 10th place is right after the decimal. Okay? I'm teaching y'all. Listen, keep it in. So we need to tick the correct option. So if I was to round this first number, 3 and 265 thousandths, which would it be? My round to the nearest 10th, would it be close to 3.3, 3.2? 3.3. And remember I said on Tuesday, look at decimal as what? Money. There you go, as money. As money. So this would be $3.30. This is $3.20. That's how we should look at it. Let me help you out. $3.20, $3.30. Okay. All right. So what's the next one? $3.21. And it's 21 and 3 thousandths of a cent. Huh? Okay, what do you say? This class already shush. This class already said, what do y'all say? What the answer gonna be? Is it close to
$3.20.
$3.20? Very good, $3.20. What about this one? 3.3, because that 8 telling that 2 to go up 1. So it's $3.30. It's close to $3.30 than $3.20. What about this one? Okay. And what about this one? 3.2. Very good. Very good. And once you click, this is called ticking. You will see this type of questioning on the state exam where you have to tick mark things, okay? And you just hit next and that will submit your answer. All right, so this one says round 73 and 2400ths to the nearest 10. We're gonna click it in, so what's the answer?
The 2 is in the 10th.
The 2 is in the 10th place, very good. Who's talking to it, Brianna? The 4 telling it to do what? So 4 is greater than 5.
Telling it stay the same.
It says stay the same, it doesn't go down. Who teaching y'all go down? Who taught y'all this go down stuff? Who taught you go down? You don't point your finger over here. Please don't point your finger over here. I would not have ever told you about go down. It don't go down, nothing. It stayed the same. So you better stop saying I taught it. I didn't do that. It is, if it is less than 5, leave it for the same. Leave it for sure. So what's the answer?
And you supposed to put
What you say, baby?
you supposed to leave the 2.
Supposed to leave the 2. And what's going to happen to the 4? It'll turn to a 0. Very good. Very good. So we hit next to submit. Serena rounded a number to the nearest whole number and got 7. Which number could be the number Serena rounded to the nearest whole number? Y'all see, could it be 7.37, 7.6? Ooh, 8.34. That's automatically not even an option, is it? Emma, look at it again. She rounded it to the nearest whole number and she got 7. So that means she got 7, and then at the end it was 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. Which one could it be? It's A. Very good, because the 3 tells the 7 to do what? Stay the same. The 6 tells the 7 to go to 8. The 9 tells the 7 to go to 8. And that's not even a 7. That's an 8. So it is that. All right. Oh, look at this kind of question. You see it has 2 what? 2 questions. You have to make sure you answer both of them to get it right. Okay. Simon and Sherry went blueberry picking. Simon picked 18 5/10 pounds and Sherry picked 21 84 pounds. How many pounds did Simon pick rounded to the nearest whole number? You say what? 19? Why did you said they say it's 19? What do you say it is? Rounded to the nearest whole number. That's what he did right there, 18.5. Rounded to the nearest whole number, which is the whole number. 18 is the whole number. Who talking to the 18? Marquette. Marquette. The 5 is telling the 18 to do what? 2. Move up to what?
19.
19. Very good, Shanice. So it is 19, and you can do 0.0 or you could left it at 19. Okay. Now, how many pounds did Sherry pick rounded to the nearest 10th? Now that's what Sherry got, 2184. To the nearest 10th? Yes. What is 21?
21.80.
21.80 or 21.8 or 21.8. However you want to put it, long as it's 21.8. You can put a 0, you don't have to put a 0. But that's very good. Next. Round to the nearest 10s. Oh, wait a minute. They said 10s. The first two.
1,
The 1? The 1 is in the 10s place?
2.
The 2?
3,
In the 10s place?
it's the 3.
The
3.
3 in the 10s place?
Oh, 3 is 3.
10. 3 in the 10s place? 2 in the 10s place? The 10s place.
3. 3.
3 in the 10s place?
3. Yes, 3.
Now remember, it says the 10s place.
2.
3. 3.
This right here. The first one. Yes. The 1, and somebody did say 1. Don't ever change your answer, children. When you know for a fact it was that 1, and she keep asking, you stick with that, because that was the right answer. It's the first 1. And who's talking to that 1? The 2, telling them what?
Say the same.
Answer is 12. How to answer 12 and you round to the nearest 10? So tell me what I need to press. Why am I pressing 12 still?
13.
Very good, Emma. Why am I pressing? What am I pressing? I'm pressing the 1 because the 2 behind it told it to stay the same, and everything behind it turns to zeros. So that 2 is a 0. Decimal point 231 is 0. That's 3 zeros. So there's my answer rounded to the nearest 10. What is 3 and 149 thousandths rounded to the nearest 100th? Ah, go on, Marquette, and did it real fast. How you get 315? No, you guessed.
The 9.
Not impressed anymore. How can somebody tell me how Marquette, besides guessing?
The 9 told the 4 to go up to a 5.
Yes, baby. The 9 told the 4 because the 4 is in the 100th place. It had to look at the 9. The 9 told the 4 to go up 1, and that made it 315. And you click B and you move on with your life. Very good. Which of the following numbers rounds to 36 and 2/10? Let's look at the ones that don't. Which ones that don't? We're going to cross out the ones that don't. Who? C doesn't? That what y'all say? That does not. That does not round to 36.2. A, thank you. What's another one that don't round to 36.2?
D.
Who?
D.
You said D? I ain't talking to y'all. Did you say D as in dog?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at D as in dog. And you're right. You're right, girl. Cross that. Well, wait a minute. Ain't let me cross it out. There you go. And y'all said B.
I ain't fucking with that whole lot of shit. I hate that.
All right. So the answer is C. Cause the 1 tells the 2 stay the same. Everything back there zeros, 36.2. Very good. Do y'all see the option of crossing things out? You can cross out on your test. Yes, on the computer, you can cross out. Oh, we got a drop and drag. Ooh. So let's match the place it is rounded to with the number that matches that rounded. The number 683 and 591 thousandths has been rounded to several places. Been rounded to several places. Oh, there you go. Because I'm like, what are my options there? You can't see it? Can you see what's going on? Y'all gonna kill me. Take that off. Okay. Getting into it, child. They got something to do with me. All right, can y'all see it now? Okay, so if I want to round that number 683 and 591 thousandths to the hundreds place, which one of these show me that I rounded to the hundreds place?
The last one.
The last one?
The second.
684?
600. The second one.
This one here rounded to the hundreds place.
Yes, ma'am.
Hundreds. See, it's HUREDES. Hundreds. Which number is in the hundred? Which digit is in the hundreds place?
9.
The 6. Somebody's yes. So who's talking to the 6? Telling the 6 to do what?
Go up.
6 would be a what? What would happen to this back here? So which one would be that? 700, the first one. Thank you. See how I dragged it? It dropped in there. All right. So now tens. You need to pay attention at what's important. Tens. Which digits in the tens place?
8.
The tens place. The 8 is in the tens place. Who's talking to the 8?
The 3.
3 and 10 is stay the same.
Say the same. So which one is it? Call out the number. 680. All right, 680. You click it, you drag it, the box turn blue, you release, and it drops in. Do y'all see that? You will get the opportunity to do this too. Okay, you'll have an assignment next week to do this. Ones place. Which digits in the ones place? 3. Who's talking to the 3? Who's talking to the 3? Tell them the 3.
The 5.
Okay, what's the answer? 684. Click. Blue box. Release. Do y'all see it? All right. Tenths. Which digits in the tenths place?
5.
The 5. Who's talking to the 5?
9.
Telling the 5 to do what?
Go up.
2A. So
6.
which is the answer?
600.
Go on, say it, baby.
600.
Not 600. The 6, 8, and the 3 stays the same. Well, yeah. 6, 8, and 3 stay the same. The 5 had to change to a 6. So that's 683.6. Click, blue box, release. Hundreds. Which digits in the hundredths place?
9.
The 9, who's talking to it?
Will
Tell
stay
it.
the same.
Stay the same. What's the answer? All right, 683.59 is right there. Drop and drag. You see how they gave y'all some unnecessary answers over here? You got to be careful. That's how they'll get you. That's how they'll get you. You got to know what you're doing. All right. Read it. 6 and 1,000 seconds. All right, 1/10 of a second. What digit's in the 10th place?
4,
Who talks to it?
5,
Tells it what?
go up to a 5.
To a 5. Very good. So what's the answer? C, 6.5.
6.5.
Very good. 6.5. And you move on. Last one. What is 475 and 189 thousandths rounded to the nearest hundredth? What digit's in the hundredth place?
4.
The who?
8.
The
8.
8. The 8 is in the hundredth place. Who tells that 8 what to do?
9.
And the 9 tells it to do what?
Go up to a 9.
Okay, so they're gonna go up to 9. What's gonna happen to 475?
Stay the same.
It stays the same. 475.19. Very good. 19. Very good. Do you see the word submit? That means you have come. I need you to step 1 seat back, like I told you last week, this week, whatever. 1 seat back, because when you get up close, you start talking. Thank you. Submit means to submit your work. Get it graded. That's how you submit your work. Submit it, and it tells you whether you made it correct or wrong. Green means correct. Pink or red means incorrect. Partially correct is yellow. Black or gray, you skipped it. And manually grade will be blue. That means I got to come in and grade it myself. Do you see it gives you your total performance score? This one, yeah. It's 100%. Yes, 100%. And you can scroll down and you can see the answers. I need y'all to do Edulastic in this manner. When I start assigning Edulastic assignments, start doing it in this manner. Us too. Mhm. Us too. Take out a sheet of paper. She's making us do work. Oh my Lord. Here's for a grade today. Do we have any questions before I move on? No, high school is not worse than middle. College is not even worse than middle. Are there any questions? Are there any questions?
No,
Everybody understanding what to do. And if you pay attention to the board that say Miss Kelly Adams over there, the person that's logged in as Miss Kelly Adams, Mrs. Kelly Adams, I still got the rules to rounding, still placed there. It's still placed there so you can see. Put your name on your paper and today's date. If you need paper in my classroom, here it is right here. Don't tear out your notebooks. Please don't tear out your notebooks. Please, whatever you do, don't tear out your notebooks. Don't tear out your notebooks, please. Don't tear out your notebooks. Here's paper. Get a sheet of paper. All you need is one. Put your name in today's date. Everybody, Miss Darby class, put your name in today's date. Today is 11/19/20. 11/19 and 20. Elizabeth's birthday tomorrow. Ooh, how is she gonna be? How? 14. Yay. Tell her happy birthday. I thought you said 20. I'm like, she ain't that old, is she? That means I'm very old. Baby, we're in math class. Science class happens at 2 o'clock every day. I'm trying to decide differently. All right, your name on your paper. I'm showing the problem. You are writing the answer. I'm showing the problem. You're writing the answer. Just write the letter. Just write the letter. If you write anything other than the letter, I'm not grading your paper. Cannot do it. Cannot, will not, shall not. You are writing. Let's go. We already discussed that. Right now, you need to get this because I'm about to change my board. You'll figure out the date later. No, William, you're going to write it on a piece of paper, sweetheart. A piece of paper. And you can either text it to me or type it to me. Text it to me or shoot a picture to me. But I'm not checking chat for the answer. No, 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 no. Okay. Everybody should have that answer by now. Moving on to the next one. Number 2. You know how I roll. You've been with me long enough. Right, I don't go too fast. That was up there long enough. I'm not waiting on snails and turtles. I'm not waiting on snails and turtles. Round 23 and 891 thousandths to the nearest whole number. See you at your seat doing what? And I'm about to change my board. Next, number 3. Round 9 and 3,428 10,000ths to the nearest hundreds. To the nearest hundredths. Y'all can see that? And he's farther back than you are. And I told you, if you can't ever see my Promethean board, you need to move in this classroom so you can see it. Well, wine, I don't care. Next. Round 45 and 872 thousandths to the nearest 10th. I told you I don't do whining. By no means. Nearest 10th. Oh, it's going to be that one. I see a pattern. Oh. I see a pattern. Oh my gosh. All right, can we move on? Yes. Number 5, round 67 and 89,342 hundred-thousandths to the nearest thousands. That's a big one. But it's an easy answer. Broke my chain. It broke my chain. Stop running, stop running, stop running. I ain't gonna tell, but I'm just gonna stop running. They said they're gonna tell. All right, y'all got it? I think it's still up there. Y'all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, moving on. Number 6, round 89 and 987 to the nearest 10th. To the nearest 10th. Ooh, don't spill. Ooh, this a tricky one here. Mm-hmm. This is a tricky one. This gonna get you. Pay attention to it now. Pay attention. Pay attention. 'Cause this is gonna get you. This one's gonna get you. Pay attention. Pay attention. This one's gonna get you. Oh God. Yes, sir. It's for a grade.
I got it.
All right, very good. I'm moving on because he said he got it. Round 56 and 3,245 10,000s to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Bringing back my pattern. Bringing back my pattern. Bringing back my pattern. Excuse me. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Number 8. Last one. Very good. Round 34 and 92 thousandths to the nearest 10th. That one's easy. That one's easy. Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
I got it.
Very good. Everybody got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? We got it? We got it? We got it? All right. If you're in your classroom, turn your papers to the front. Make sure your name, today's date is on there. Today, sit down. Today is the 19th, 11/19/20, 11/19/20. Pass it to the front of your row. Pass it to the front of your row. If you're at home, virtual, take a picture, send it to me. Take a picture, send it to me. Yes, sir. Don't have a clue what you said, baby boy. We're in the what, baby? I don't get it, but okay. Like I said, I don't get it, but okay. I know. I was there on whatever day that was. Our last day here, I was there. All right. Keep your sheet of paper out. Go get another sheet of paper.
It's a minute. It's a minute.
No, we're not doing quiz, this classwork. This classwork.
Oh, we gotta do this now?
This classwork, yes.
Can I write the problem?
You're supposed to write the problem. I'm holding it up just so you can write the problem. And then I'm moving on. Just write the problem for now. And then you're gonna go back and write and answer it. Yes.
I
Just
got
write
it.
the problem for now.
Is that a 9 or a 6? That's a 9.
That's a 9. While you're talking and playing, guess what's happening? I'm about to flip my screen. I'm about to. Bay. Miss Adams is about to flip her screen, okay? Because she can't wait for you to rewrite it as drawing your numbers. All you have to do is write the problem, and then we're going to move on, and you're going to have an opportunity to do what? Work it out. All right, here we go. Clark ran. I want you to first listen. Don't write all this. Don't write the problem. You're going to write the problem, but you ain't finna write the word problem, the letters. Clark ran 2 8/10 miles on Sunday, 2 miles on Monday, and 3 7/10 miles on Tuesday. Total distance covered by Clark was how many miles? What we have to do here? What are we adding? Write the numbers down that you're adding. Write the numbers down that you're adding. That's a 2. Yes, 2.8, 2, 3.7. Write the numbers down that you're adding. What is this? No, that's a little baggy. All right, can I move on?
Yeah.
Everybody online has it written down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, William. William, I need you to be the person to tell me we can move on. We're gonna skip that one. Here you go. There go your one right there.
Nope.
Got it.
Okay, William got it, so that means you got a few seconds left to get it. And we're moving on.
So he got it. I
I
got
would
it.
have to answer.
Huh?
Turn
All right, moving on.
the camera back on.
Rosa or Ross bought a bag of carrots that weighed 8 6/10 pounds and a bag of strawberries that weighed 4 7 pounds. How many pounds in all did Ross buy? What's my operation?
Add it.
Adding, very good. Write down the numbers that you're supposed to do the operation with. Nope. 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 Well, so far everything's adding. So far, but all the problems I'm giving you will not be adding.
Oh my God.
Let me know, William, when I can. You done? Thank you, William. Moving on. Y'all got to go fast as William. Skip. You better be quiet. Skip.
Yeah.
Skip. Skip.
No, yeah.
But this time, make the operation subtraction. 7.85 subtract 4.39. With this one, change the addition sign to a subtraction sign. You better chill. We come to school to learn. And that's what we on this week, subtraction. Okay, hey, hon. How you doing? 7.85 minus 4.39. Make sure that happens for you.
Done.
I'm done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Done.
He said he's done, so I'm moving on. All right. Change this one to subtraction.
Oh, no.
9.3 minus 6.9. 9.3 minus 6.9. Girl, stop. All right, I'm waiting on William. Right, there it is. I'm waiting on William. Moving on. Hey. Y'all said,
Yes.
Y'all want me to skip it or go do those?
No. Skip.
Yeah. Y'all want me to skip this one?
No.
No?
No.
No? I'm going to skip this one because I have not taught you perimeter yet. That's the only reason I'm skipping it, because we have not done geometry yet. Baby, we had, I would have did it. All right, here we go. This one is a subtraction. It's 5.65 minus 4.5. That's the subtraction one. Chill. Like real talk. Like real talk.
Done.
Chill. Okay, William done. What he gonna say no for? And you need one more problem.
I'm
You're
done.
done. You're done. See, they done. So they got time to wait on y'all slow poking, y'all snails. We ain't got time to wait on those snails. No, because you have one. I gotta give you one more. I gotta give you one more problem. I'm not even thinking about Alan. Alan can go to sleep. Okay, here you go. The height of two sunflowers are 3 and 26 meters and 1 and 8 meters. What is the difference in the height? So if I say difference, we're talking about what operation?
Subtraction.
Very good, subtraction. So we're going to subtract these two numbers. 3 and 26 hundredths, 1 and 8 tenths. And that is all. This is your grade for today. If I do not get this paper with these answers, guess what, y'all? You're getting a 0 for the day.
I'm finished.
My virtual, you finished working them out?
I just worked.
Yes.
Oh, gone, girl, you fat. Now, wait a minute now. You got to show your work. You can't use the calculator. You have to show your work. I have to be able to see your work. That means see where you have worked it out. So you can't use the calculator. Show your work. All right, guys. I'm giving you this time now to finish up, submit. I shall see you at 11:20 and see you at, I shall see you at 11:20 and I also should see you at 2 o'clock today. Any questions, you know to text me, text or call. Okay, make sure you're working on your your science project as well and studying for all your exams this week because tomorrow's Friday. I love you guys until 11. Yes, baby.
You're supposed to send these problems down that we just brought to you.
Yes, ma'am. You can send it through text message or you can send it through class tag, something like that. Yes. Well, no, don't send it through class tag. People can see it. Submit it through my email because we don't want people to see your answers. I'm going to give it to you. So hurry up, write it down so I can do my work. You understand what I'm saying? Shanice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I need to make sure you understand. Let me take roll for today. When I call your name, say here. Shanice,
Here.
and it's Isaiah. Thank you, Isaiah.
Here.
Colin.
Here.
Chris. Hi, Chris. Emma. Hi, Emma. And William. Hi, William.
Hello.
All right, guys. So go be great. Do your work. Submit your work. Simple problems today. I think we did well. Hopefully we did well. Any questions about rounding or subtracting, adding decimals? Okay, I'll handle you. All right, so since there are no questions and everything's good, y'all have a good day. See you 11:20. Bye-bye.
Bye.